Southlake Full Station Integration Process. The Roots Education Company automation line developed for Southlake High School will simulate a dynamic and complex manufacturing environment common in the modern era. It combines critical process steps including metrology, CNC machining, vision inspection, and automated assembly, creating an engaging learning environment for students with little to no exposure to automation. Station 1 is the vision guidance. On this station, the UR7 robot is machine tending the Haas desktop mill. The robot will pick a puck from the dispenser and place the part on the vacuum clamp in the mill. After the milling process, the robot will pick the finished maize and place the part on the inspection stand. This station uses 2 inspection cameras. The SICK inspection camera is looking if the part is present, and the LMI Gocator will look for a maize present. If the maize is present and correct, the part will be placed on the outgoing conveyor. If there is no maize present, then the part will be transferred to the bad part bin. Upon the quality being validated within the set tolerances, the gripper then picks up the medallion and places it on the conveyor. This conveyor contains sensors that communicate with the other integrated systems that monitor the weight and speed of items placed on it. The conveyor is used to transfer the item to the next station, where it will continue the manufacturing process. Quality and data drive the second station. Once a part has been machined, the robot retrieves it from the conveyor to initiate a rigorous validation process. Using advanced inspection devices, the system confirms if the part has been machined correctly based on directed parameters. The UR3 robot will check the quality of the maize using very accurate calipers, looking for the proper size ball bearing and the wall height of the maize side wall. If the bearing and part are correct, the robot will transfer the part to the assembly stand. In the assembly area, the maize will be transferred by linear cylinder under the compression section, where the acrylic piece will be transferred under the compression section via a linear cylinder, where a cylinder will drop onto the acrylic piece, and using a vacuum will pick the acrylic piece, while the acrylic cylinder will retract, and the cylinder holding the acrylic piece will actuate and set the acrylic piece into the maize. Once the part has been assembled, the robot will transfer the finished part to the finished good queue.